Here we go. We got the Honda 1000. What year, Mark?
2008.
2008 Honda 1000. A few of the mods, Two Brothers exhaust. You know what I'm saying? Of course, custom paint.
Custom everything.
Everything basically. Ain't nothing on this bitch stock. I'm loving the wheels. We gonna give y'all a little crank up real quick so y'all can hear it. And whenever this tire goes bad, he'll be able to get him a burnout at the smoke shack, and he can put his tires up there with the rest of the burnout tires. He just got it back. How many days now? So yeah, he had it back for a good week now.
About 500 miles.
Yeah, about 500 miles. There you go. That's how we do it right here in Lufkin, Texas, man. Twisted Sport Bikes. Come get some, bitch.